Okay guys, we've been riding for about 3 hours. We came from Rungai and now we're in the middle of fucking nowhere. I don't know where the fuck we are. But what I know guys is that we're going back to Rungai. We've been searching for these boxes to say like when we get to these boxes we'll be getting more delivery requests. And to be honest guys, working with Bolt Food, that's a hard topic to discuss. We're not getting that much money and we're spending a lot of hours, a lot of energy, and we've given Bolt Food the best shot ever, as in we've tried every strategy to make sure that we're getting the most orders. We take about 1 hour from Rongai to Westlands because they actually recommended that we should go to Westlands and town because they said that we'd get more orders. But to be honest, the orders start to come from around 12 up to 3 p.m. and then it's like everybody from Westland is now going home, so you're not likely to get any more orders. So that's when we go back to Rongai and then we try to catch at least 2-3 orders and then we call it a day. At the moment we have Uber Eats, we have Glovo, we have Bolt Food. This was the preliminary point. And so with those 3 apps, we want to move on to the next part. Getting earned income mostly involves exchanging your time and energy for money, which is totally not cool. Like financially speaking, it's not even sexy, to be honest. And what we should be doing is we should be acquiring the assets of positive cash flow so that we have cash flow whether we go to work, whether we don't go to work, whether we decide to chill. Yeah, and guys, what I'm about to do right now is use the 3 apps to raise some cash, and we're going to get a motorcycle. It will help me fulfill more orders. That means more cash. We're going to put down some cash and buy the debt. And the debt that we're going to acquire from SACCOs, we're going to use that to get into real estate. We're going to get into business. And talking about business, I'm super into franchise business, the fast food industry. I'm super interested in that. So I'm looking forward to having like one unit of a fast food franchise joined and then getting on to real estate. These business ventures usually have a high point of entry, like getting into those businesses takes a lot of capital. So right now we're going to go back to Rongai and hopefully we get some more orders. I'll tell you guys at the end of the day what we actually earn, if we get some orders, if we don't get some orders. But for now it's time to go back to Rongai. What is up guys? Our first order since we left Gong, and it's actually a drop off. 3 minutes to 9 p.m. and I've only done one order from Bolt Food. That was chicken in. It was a drop off. I didn't get any cash from that. Don't know what I'm going to eat tonight. Yeah, it's gonna be a long night. This is Kim's spot. Yeah, he has a little bit over 2500 in board food balance. Now it's like he can't get any order. And the orders that arrive, they're given to those with below 2500. I just stole some lemongrass from the backyard of Naivas, and that's the only good thing about today.
Manze, niko speechless cause guys, imagine kuanzia saa 2 ndio nilianza safari hadi Karen, nikatoka Karen tukaenda hivyo almost Ngong, and hakuna anything that nimepata, no request but but food manze mnahitaji kupata na many hotels. Kwanza Pizza Inn, you need to partner with Pizza Inn cause watukasi ambao tunategemea about a source of income kwetu tunamia pakubwa sana.
It's really good to have these apps to get the income, but it's time to elevate, time to do something much more sustainable.